this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychological tricks used by seduction experts to win a woman's affection. Numerous studies indicate that knowing how to stimulate the most sensitive parts of her brain can greatly improve your chances of winning her over. So, stay tuned as we explore these sophisticated techniques designed to subtly influence her subconscious mind. Each trick is a nuanced yet powerful strategy, supported by psychological insights that can make the process of attracting any woman smoother. It's all about mastering the art of seduction, tapping into the complexities of the mind, and forming a connection that goes beyond the surface. Don't miss a moment, as every revelation is a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of the art of seduction. And as a bonus, the last trick will offer a quick and easy way to access her mind, giving you an edge in building a connection. So, let's not waste any time. Hit play, soak up the knowledge, and empower yourself with the psychological tools to enhance your interactions. If you find these insights valuable, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of seduction. Let's get started. The Benjamin Franklin effect. Let's kick things off with the first trick, the Benjamin Franklin effect. This psychological phenomenon, named after the wise founding father, can make attracting a woman a bit easier. The idea is simple. By asking someone for a small favor, you can increase your attractiveness to them. Here's the intriguing part. When a person does a favor for you, it changes their perception of you. They begin to justify their actions internally, thinking, if I'm doing this favor, it must be because I find this person attractive. It's a subtle yet effective way to shift their perspective. To use this method, start with small favors. Ask her to grab you a drink, a snack, or even something as simple as a piece of paper or a pen. These small interactions can gradually build a positive connection, planting the seeds of attraction through shared moments, making her subconsciously associate being helpful with being drawn to you. Stay tuned for more tricks, and if you have questions or want more details, drop a comment below. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Contact. Research on prolonged eye contact has revealed an interesting way to shape how others perceive us. When applied in interactions with someone you're interested in, this technique can make your eyes appear highly attractive. The key is maintaining eye contact while engaging in conversation. Here's how. Look into her eyes and hold the gaze for about 3.5 seconds. Then smoothly shift your focus to another point as if it's a natural transition. This deliberate act creates the impression that you're peering deep into her essence, communicating a sense of uniqueness and subtly encouraging a desire for more of those captivating gazes in the future. So, next time you're conversing with that special someone, try incorporating this method to add a touch of allure to your eyes and create a connection that goes beyond words. It's a simple yet effective way to make her feel valued and leave a lasting impression. Repeat her name. The third trick is to repeat her name, which is a seemingly simple gesture that can make a remarkable impact. Our name is one of the most important words in our lives, and by repeating a woman's name in conversation, her subconscious mind will perceive you as someone familiar and trustworthy. Many men overlook this detail. In the spirit of Aristotle's rhetoric, which emphasizes the power of persuasion through effective communication, mentioning and remembering a woman's name establishes familiarity and trust. Aristotle's teachings on ethos, logos, and pathos resonate in the art of seduction, where building trust is paramount. By doing this, you set yourself apart and establish yourself as a unique individual, naturally piquing her interest. Use this strategy during your conversation by asking her name and mentioning it 3 times. If you enjoy what you're hearing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. We've got a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you. Contagious positivity. Let's dive into the 4th trick, contagious positivity. One of the simplest yet most powerful tools in your arsenal is a genuine smile. Why? because smiling acts like a magic wand when it comes to winning a woman's favor. The secret lies in the fascinating world of mirror neurons and their psychological impact. When you flash a warm smile at a woman, your mirror neurons come into play, creating an emotional dance that causes her to unconsciously mirror your positive vibes. It's like a happy contagion. When she feels that surge of happiness, she'll associate it with you, making you seem pleasant, positive, and highly desirable. So, next time you find yourself in a conversation with that special someone, let your smile work its magic. Not only will it brighten her day, but it will also etch a positive image of you in her subconscious mind. It's a simple trick, but the impact can be profound. Chameleon effect. The fifth trick is called the chameleon effect, a clever way to make people like you without them even realizing it. Back in 1999, a study discovered that people are naturally drawn to those who mimic their actions. So, if you want to be more likable, try the chameleon effect. Here's how. Pay close attention to the person you're talking to, especially their movements and gestures, then subtly mimic some of those behaviors during your conversation. It might sound a bit odd, but this simple trick can make the other person feel a stronger connection with you. They'll notice these little similarities in how you act, even in the smallest gestures, and it can make them feel more comfortable and friendly towards you. So, next time you're chatting with someone interesting, channel your inner chameleon and see the magic happen. Subtle physical contact. Now let's explore the sixth move, subtle physical contact. Science backs this one up, confirming that physical touch plays a significant role in deepening the connection between two individuals. The beauty of it lies in its ability to convey emotions and nurture a sense of closeness. To increase your attractiveness, focus on subtle touches to areas like the shoulders, forearms, lower back, and waist. It's like a silent language that speaks volumes about your feelings. To incorporate this into your interactions, seize both planned and natural opportunities. For instance, when the music starts playing, ask her to dance, a planned chance that opens the door for physical contact. Similarly, during more spontaneous moments, like helping her cross the street, find ways to establish that gentle touch. This bold yet considerate strategy is generally well received and can work as a catalyst for speeding up the development of your relationship. So, don't shy away from a little touch here and there. It's a subtle yet effective move that can add a layer of intimacy to your connection. The power of laughter. The seventh trick is the power of making her laugh. Science has confirmed what many already knew. A good sense of humor is a secret weapon for connecting with a woman's mind. Women are generally drawn to men who can tickle their funny bones. Here's the science behind it. When someone laughs, their brain releases endorphins, those magical hormones associated with pleasure. So, when you make the woman you're interested in laugh, you're not just increasing your attractiveness, you're also activating her brain to link pleasure with you. It's like creating a positive association with your presence. If you're looking for tips on how to master the art of making a woman laugh, stay tuned. Feel free to drop a comment asking for more tips, and we'll be sure to share some humor-inspiring insights. Laughter is a universal language that can break down barriers and build connections. So why not sprinkle some joy into your interactions? Exuding confidence. Let's delve into the eighth trick. Exuding confidence. Confidence is like a magnetic force in the realm of attraction, possessing a unique charm and influence. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry themselves with self-assurance and live by their own standards without constantly seeking approval from others. Picture this: a confident man who knows his own value and doesn't resort to begging for affection. If he's interested in a woman, he doesn't go out of his way seeking her approval. He simply continues being his authentic self. This mindset of not relying on external validation significantly boosts your allure and elevates your perceived value. It's not about exerting excessive effort. It's about applying the rule of minimum effort. This principle is all about confidently being yourself and not overthinking or trying too hard. If you're curious to learn more about the rule of minimum effort, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll be happy to elaborate. Remember, confidence is not about arrogance. It's about a quiet assurance that speaks volumes. The iceberg effect. The ninth trick is the iceberg effect. This fascinating psychological phenomenon emphasizes the importance of first impressions. Whether positive or negative, the first impression you make on someone can lead them to believe that your entire life aligns with what they see at first glance. For example, when you first see a comedian, you might think their life revolves around making jokes and generating laughter. Although this isn't always the case. The influence of first impressions lies in their ability to shape perceptions quickly. To maximize the first impression you make on a woman, ensure she sees you as the man she wants. Pay careful attention to your personal appearance, your way of expressing yourself verbally, and your mannerisms. Incorporate the other tricks explained in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The power of posture. The 10th tip is the power of posture. Various studies have shown that our body posture can reveal a lot about our emotions, self-esteem levels, and what we expect from others. Let's focus on how to present yourself as a powerful man to the woman you're interested in. Some postures that reflect strength include keeping your arms and legs open, keeping your shoulders straight, raising your head slightly as if looking towards the horizon, and sitting with your back straight. When a woman sees you with proper posture, her appreciation for you increases. Many men overlook the importance of maintaining good posture, whether standing or sitting, and neglecting it often makes them appear less confident. Men who take care of their posture make it easier for her to open up to them, projecting an aura of security and confidence that she desires. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these tips valuable. Please share this video with others who might benefit from it and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. It's a safe haven for discussions. If you've gained any knowledge, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Socratic Sage Sanctuary for more insights. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.